Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today we're talking about how to turn cold traffic into paying clients. So Pinterest is really my jam. I use it for everything. If you haven't gone through my free Pinterest masterclass, go to freepinterestclass.com. And so what I focus on doing is creating epic blog content that's going to be super helpful to my ideal client, and we put it on Pinterest. There's a very specific way to do it using keywords, and I'm not going to go into that in this video. But by doing that, you can attract your ideal client to you. Okay. And so I'll just give an example of one of my private clients. I asked her, okay, how did you find me? And she goes, well, 3 days ago, I was searching on Pinterest. I found your pin. I went to your blog. I found your content. So I have content for an entire year's worth of consistent content that I've been creating. She goes, I stalked your YouTube videos. I saw everything that you'd put out there, and I just had that vibe from you that I needed to work with you. So I applied, and here I am. Not only is she one of my private clients, but she's coming all the way to Chicago to attend my next live event. And that happened in 3 days from her finding me on Pinterest, seeing my content, I was able to build a relationship with her through all of my free content, to her signing up to be a client coming to Chicago. Okay. So what do you need to do? Get on Pinterest, first of all, learn how to use Pinterest effectively and create content on a consistent basis that's going to add value to your ideal person, but also put your own personality out there so that when someone watches your video, reads your blog post, anything that has to do with you and your brand, they connect with you and they feel like they know you. And so you got to just show up, be authentic, add massive value, and use Pinterest because it's all automated when you do that. All right, that's it for today. Make sure to sign up for my free Pinterest class because it's really going to help you generate more leads for free on autopilot. It's pretty freaking awesome. All right, I'll see you in the next video.